Welcome back to the second part of video, the chapter 2, The Thief's Story. Let's start from here. Anil made money by fits and starts. He would borrow one week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazine, a queer way to make a living. We had already seen that in the beginning of the story, even Anil was not much capable or rich person. So you can see here, Anil says that Hari says that Anil make money by fits and starts. Fits and start means the right way or right quality or right skill. That means doing his work honestly. Anil made his living by doing his work with proper skill, with good quality and honestly. What as now he was having some financial problem, he used to borrow one week, and after a week he will borrow from some other person, and in this way he was going. One more thing that Hari says about Anil was that he seems to wrote for a magazine. That means in this story, Anil is a writer. He used to write for magazines and newspaper. As Hari was a cheater, he was a thief, he was a robber. According to Hari, Anil was having a queer. Queer means a strange way of living. That means Hari, who even does not know to write his name. For him, it was very strange that Anil can earn living by writing for a magazine or a newspaper. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher at night. I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. So one evening, Anil came, and he came with a bundle of notes. Hari was observing him very keenly. That Anil had kept the money under the mattress. Under the mattress means gadde ke niche. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. So in this paragraph, Hari was saying that he had done small kind of cheating. We had seen that whenever Hari used to go to purchase supplies, some money or 1 rupee he used to keep with himself. But according to Hari, it was just cheating. It was not a wrong thing, and it was not his line of work. Line of work means my line of work is to teach. You all are student, and your line of work is to learn. So in the same way, Hari is saying that although he was doing a small kind of cheating, but he was not doing anything in his line of work. And as he had seen the bundles of notes, so he want to again go in his line of work. But he says that in his whole life he had not seen a trusting person like Anil. We can understand the condition of Hari, who was a 15 years old boy. We had not seen, we had not read about his parent. So we can consider that he is an orphan, and there is no one, no person to take care of Hari. So here Hari feels that Anil is a very trusting person because he had given the key of his house. He is giving him lessons how to cook, how to write the name. So Hari is able to see a positive thing in Anil, that he was a very trusting, very careful and very honest man. And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it is difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he does not even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. So, pleasure out of the work. That means we had seen Hari is a thief, but he is saying that he will not get pleasure in his work. That means Hari's work is to steal or thief. तो हरी कहता है उसको कभी भी अनिल के घर में चोरी करके खुशी नहीं मिलेगी. द रीज़न वॉज दैट ही सेज इट इज़ गुड टू रॉब अ ग्रीडी मैन. एक लालची आदमी को कि घर में मैं वो चोरी कर सकता है, बट ही कैनॉट रॉब इन अ केयरलेस मैन. केयरलेस मीन्स इज Hari is saying that he is a careless means. Careless means Anil is not taking care of himself. He is trusting a person to whom Anil had met for the first time. He had given the keys. So somehow Hari had some soft corner in his heart for Anil, as he was a very good person, and he does not feel any pleasure in cheating and robbing Anil's house. Well, it's time. I did some real work. I told myself. I am out of practice, and if I don't take money, he will only waste. You can see that in this paragraph, Hari is trying to make himself understand that stealing is his work and he have to do his real work. And moreover, as Anil is not paying anything to him, so definitely he can steal in Anil's house. The next part of the story we will discuss in our next video.